the very first time a student logs in, they will get this message. The Rosetta Stone program has a stamp program where they earn these little stamps for every lesson or activity or things they complete. They get a stamp the first time that they log in, and if they complete their profile, they get another stamp. So once they do this the first time, you will not see this again. So you're going to click continue. And then this is the same screen they will see every time they log in. The key with the Rosetta Stone and them using it is that you want them to start from the very beginning. For some students it may be extremely easy, but the only way to know how they're progressing is if they start with the very first lesson. So they would want to start with this first one, Unit 1, Lesson 1, and it tells you about how long the core lesson lasts. Each of these big circles that are icons with pictures is a core lesson. So this is Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 1, Lesson 2. This is still Unit 1, Lesson 3. And it just progresses, and it tells you about how long each one is until they hit their milestone, which will then let them move on to Unit 2. The key aspect that I would like you to remember, though, is that once you're in this screen, you can click on any lesson out of order. So we really want to make sure when you monitor the students that they're clicking on the lessons in order. But once they begin a lesson, it won't let them move on to another lesson until they complete it correctly. So for example, we will start with Core Lesson 1, Unit 1. It will ask you to pick the gender of the child, and we'll say female just because I'm female. And it will check for recognition of speech. It'll match the level and the gender of the child. I'm going to click OK. It should not ask that every single time you log in. You will also get this list for a microphone selection where I will check your microphone, make sure that the microphone is working. So on this, it'll list anything that is plugged in as a microphone to the device, the computer, the laptop, and we're going to choose on this computer microphone, USB audio device. We choose that from the list, and we're going to click continue. It'll check our microphone for us and make sure that it's working. So it gives you the directions. Put your headset as illustrated and click continue to begin, and it asks you to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a normal speaking voice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then it lets you know that it's set up successfully, that the microphone is okay. So you just want to click continue.
Hello.
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 As I speak, it records my voice and
A
sees if I
girl.
answered correctly.
A boy. A girl.
A girl. And they have to match it
A
with
boy.
the appropriate item. A boy.
The girl is eating.
At this
The
point,
girl is drinking.
I'll
The
do
boy
one
is eating.
incorrectly, and so you see what happens. It says they want us to choose the boy is eating, so I'm going to pick the boy who is drinking.
The boy is eating.
And it will not let you move on until you get it correct.
The boy is drinking.
A girl.
A girl.
A girl. A boy.
A boy.
A boy.
So it checks your voice
The girl is drinking.
and works through the process.